Good afternoon. Welcome to Nifty Prediction. To join my WhatsApp group, I'm charging 350 rupees per month. You will get well in advance those prediction details as well as calls in the group. Let's go to the Nifty. Nifty ended up in the positive around 11,661.85, 75.50 points in the positive, 0.65% in the positive. Opened around 11,580.30, which is well below the previous closing, but went low around 11,553.15. High went around 11,684.70. Let's go to my prediction review. In my prediction, the data shown on Friday, the ratio is evenly poised. Whenever this evenly poised comes, means the market may have all three results possible. It may go down extremely bearish, it may end up with a bullish, or it may end up in the flat positive or flat negative. So all three results are possible. That is, we all know whenever this kind of thing. But the average is indicating positive and weightage is indicating positive, and absolute frequency it's also indicated positive. Which means it is showing around 70% chances to end up in the positive side, but somehow it has ended up in the positive. But one thing what we need to watch out is that the ratio, or maybe anywhere evenly poised comes, means all three results are possible, that we know. And the market has went down, and it has kept a low in the range of support level 2 around 11,564 range, and it has recovered from that low with the stop loss level, which means stop loss level will come 11,554. After that, it has recovered from that low towards to the positive side, and it has ended up in the positive somewhere around 11,006 uh, 11,655 in the pivot hour range. And the Nifty ended up around 70 points, 75 points in the positive side, which is a little above the pivot level range. 11,661 pivot level range is little lower, 11,655. It has closed 4 points above that pivot level range. Let's go to the prediction for Tuesday. Tuesday, the ratio indicating negative 5 is to 6, and average indicating negative 0 is to 3, and weight is indicating negative 3.50 versus 12.7, which is huge on the negative side, and absolute frequency indicating negative. So all indications shown in the negative, which means if the pre-market in the negative, then it may become extremely bearish market. So pre-market need to watch out whether it is opening in the negative or positive. Depends on that. If the market is opens in the positive, then extremely bearish may not happen. But if the market is opens in the negative, we have a good chance to go extremely bearish. But the point is that the ratio and the absolute frequency having a difference of 1 point. We all know that whenever the difference of 1 point comes, means the upside trend may have chance, so it will react in the opposite direction, which means it is typically like volatile market, because these two indicated positive sign as well. This weightage is indicating negative, and the average indicating negative, which means two indicated positive and two indicated negative, which means it's kind of a volatile market. It is indicating indirectly. But as per the data, it is showing 72% chances to end up in the negative, or 27% chance to end up in the positive. But this may differ, it may ended up in the bullish as well if these following data are matching. If the market is opens in the positive, pre-opening in the positive, and not able to break the support level 1, we all know that this is the basic rule. If that particular level is not breaking 11,000 609, and this is a stop loss level. If this particular level is not breaking, it may become bullish as well. As per the data, it is bearish, but the pre-market is not supporting the negative side, and it is opening in the positive, means, and it is not breaking that support level 1, and the stop loss level is not breaking, then it may become bullish, and it may have a chance to reach this resistance level 1 and the average and the positive average. So it may become a bullish market. But on the other hand, if the market is opens in the flat side, pre-market opens in the flat side, and not able to break the resistance level 1, which is 11,747, so 11,757 is the stop loss. This level is not breaking, it may be extremely bearish. So it may go to any extent, it may go to even 400 points in the downside negative average, so 11,225 as well. So these are all the levels which we need to watch out. But the pivot is there in the negative side around 157 points, which means anything above that level market will try to recover, anything below that level market will try to go down. So we need to watch out those levels. But the bullish level starts in the range of 11,756. So anything breaks 11,766, then it will become open target for the bullish. Open target for the bullish will come 11,766.34 is breaking, then it will become open target for the bullish. On the bearish side, it is too much downside. It is showing open target will come only after 11,261, which means 11,251 is breaking, then only it will become open target. So it is a huge gap, is there around 400 points. Anything goes beyond 400 points, then only it will become open target for the bearish. Otherwise, market will have a good chance to recover after, no matter how much downside it goes, it will try to recover. So it is not going to be that much easy. We need to play very cautiously on this particular day. As per the data, I'll show you some other keys as well. This is the volatile range, which itself shows in the negative side. So if the market is not breaking the previous closing and the market is not making the 11,400 range, the market will also try to oscillate this in between volatile range. So this is we need to watch out. Otherwise, if the market is opens in the negative but somehow it is not able to break the resistance level 1, so it may go to any extent to 400 points on the negative side. This is the bear trend, and this is the bullish trend. If the market is not breaking that support level 1, and if it is opens in the positive side, then it may become bullish market. So that we all know. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Tuesday. Thank you.